Hello, this is Paul, your digital mage from CSP Geeks, and today I want to talk to you about an agency tool that we created. It's called the Mage Agency Margin Calculator, and it's a free tool that helps agencies estimate the profit margins they could earn by using Mage services for their client care plans. You can find it on our Mage website by going to Resources, Agency Margin Calculator. You start by entering the number of client sites we manage, what you charge each client, and your internal labor costs. So here you have 10 for the clients. I'm going to change that to 20. The cost is fine, $149. Next, select the Mage hosting services and add-ons you would use to support those sites. So in this case, I'm just going to go with the standard Nginx WordPress site. I'm going to add some backup, and also I'm going to add a global CDN for performance. Once everything is entered, you can then click Get Estimate. So I'm going to come down here and say Get Estimate. And you can see that it gives you back the results. Your results are displayed directly on the screen, including your projected monthly revenue, estimated Mage costs, internal costs, profit, and overall profit margin. You can change the information and run additional estimates to compare different pricing strategies, service combinations, or client counts. If you want to keep or share your results, you can have the estimate emailed to you. The email includes a summary of your estimate along with a detailed PDF report you can download for your records. Here is what that email would look like, and here is what the PDF file looks like. So you receive all the information that you entered as well as the counts. So you can run multiple of these reports and really see how you could utilize Mage for your business. Thank you for your time. Bye.
This is your digital mage. How can I help you?